Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of plant-based diets and the amazing benefits they bring to your health. Switching to a plant-based diet will transform your health in ways you never imagined. From boosting energy levels to improving digestion and even potentially preventing chronic diseases, the power of plants is remarkable. Let's explore how a plant-based diet positively impacts overall health. By focusing on nutrient-dense plant foods, you not only nourish your body, but also support a sustainable way of eating.
Plant-based diets address common health issues like high cholesterol, blood pressure, weight management, and inflammation effectively. Rich in phytonutrients, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, plant-based foods boost immune function and promote heart health.
The benefits of plant-based diets not only help you on the outside, for example, to have a more beautiful skin, but also on the inside, which is the most important thing, our organism. To wrap up, incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet supports better health for you and the planet. Every plant-based meal counts. Try adding more plant-based meals to your diet and share your journey in the comments below. Let's cook and thrive together. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more on plant-based living. See you next time. For more information and recipes to start your new healthier life, check out the link in the description below.